Modern gardening relies heavily on chemical fertilizers, treating soil as an empty vessel needing constant top-ups. But for millennia, the earth provided for itself. Forests and meadows thrived without our intervention. The shift to chemicals came with industrial agriculture, prioritizing speed over soil health. We forgot that true fertility is grown and sustained by a living community beneath our feet. Soil isn't just dirt, it's a vibrant ecosystem, teeming with life as complex as any rainforest. Microbes break down organic matter, unlocking nutrients for plants in a perfect partnership. Feeding plants with chemicals is like giving them junk food, short-term energy, long-term harm. Our real job as gardeners is simple: feed the soil, not the plant. When we nurture soil life, it creates a healthy, resilient and self-sustaining garden. Living soil is a bustling metropolis, home to bacteria, fungi, earthworms and countless other organisms. These creatures build soil structure, holding air and water, creating the perfect environment for roots. Microbes and plant roots form the soil food web. Plants feed microbe sugars, and microbes deliver nutrients in return. Earthworms aerate the soil and turn debris into nutrient-rich castings, nature's perfect fertilizer. This natural cycle makes chemical fertilizers unnecessary. Synthetic fertilizers force weak growth and bypass the soil's biology. Living soil provides a steady, complete diet, tailored to the plant's needs. The plant signals, microbes respond, creating strong, resilient plants. Healthy soil means fewer pests and diseases. The secret to thriving gardens is beneath our feet. Building living soil is simple. Start with good topsoil, not expensive products. Add a modest layer of mature compost to introduce food and beneficial microbes. Avoid pure compost. Just 2 to 3 inches is enough. Compost jump-starts the soil food web, bringing life to your garden. Sprinkle earthworm castings for a concentrated boost of microbes and nutrients. These castings accelerate the development of a healthy ecosystem. Feed your microbes with slow-release amendments like kelp meal or oats. These feed the soil life, not the plants directly. The result: a self-sustaining system that nourishes your plants for years. Healthy soil means less work and no need for chemical fertilizers. Once your living soil is established, your role shifts to caretaker. Keep soil covered with organic mulch. Nature never leaves soil bare. Mulch protects microbes, conserves water, and feeds the soil as it breaks down. Use wood chips, leaves, or straw, and keep mulch away from plant stems. Water deeply and less often to encourage deep roots and healthy microbes. Let the top inch dry between waterings to avoid waterlogging. These principles work in containers too. Just use a large pot and mulch well. Container gardens with living soil can be incredibly productive. With the right care, your soil ecosystem thrives and your plants flourish. Living soil creates a self-improving, dynamic garden. Each harvest and every fallen leaf feeds the soil, making it richer over time. Once established, your main tasks are planting, mulching and watering. No more buying fertilizers, the soil's workforce does the job for free. You'll see healthier plants, darker, crumbly soil and plenty of earthworms. You become a steward of an ecosystem, not just a grower of plants. True fertility is nurtured, not bought. Feed the soil, and your garden will learn to grow itself.